The best roller skate bags to keep your skates safe. What's the best roller skate bag for you? Roller skaters have a lot of options when it comes to where to store their gear. There are shoulder bags, backpacks, and duffel bags. But what's the best option for you? To help you find the perfect roller skate bag, we've researched some of the top roller skate bags on the market. We've looked at features such as price, size, and weight. We have reviewed the top 5 roller skate bags and found out which one. Number 1. SKTHP Roller Skate Bag with Shoulder Strap. This roller skates bag is designed to accommodate a full set of roller skates, wheels, and protective gear. The padded interior will keep your shoes and other gear dry. The bag can accommodate up to a 13-inch men's size wheel and is constructed of water-resistant 1200D nylon fabric. You can put your roller skate into the large main bag up to a men's size 13 and protective gear, like knee pads, helmet into another main pocket. The side mesh pocket of our roller skating bag can hold towels, cups and other items, and the little front pocket can put your name card, making it easy to find your own skating bag. Its air cycle ventilation will keep your contents fresh. The breathable design will keep your shoes dry. Number 2. SHARKMOUTH Roller Skating Backpack. If you're traveling long distances or want to take your skates with you, this roller skate bag is an excellent option for you. It is easy to use, lightweight and equipped with plenty of pockets. There is a specific pocket for holding a water bottle. The shoulder straps are padded with high-density padded foams to prevent pain. Waterproof tarpaulin bottom keeps the bag dry and moisture-free. Available in 3 awesome colors including navy blue, black, and blue. 65L extra large capacity is specially designed for ski enthusiasts. Extra large capacity is enough to store boots, helmets, goggles, ski jackets, gloves, and other ski equipment. Adjustable shoulder straps and chest straps allow you to carry and transport effortlessly. Waterproof and tear-resistant fabric, made of high-quality polyester fabric, strong sewing technology ensures that it will not split and is durable. The low-temperature resistant, waterproof tarpaulin at the bottom of the backpack makes you no longer have the trouble of being soaked in snow. Flip the back panel as a standing pad. You can easily replace your boots and keep your feet dry. Number 3. Gonex High-End Unisex Ice and Inline Skate Bag. Made of premium 1680D Oxford fabric with primer, flexible strengthened framework and heavy-duty SBS zipper, our skate bag has strong tear and deformation resistance to ensure long-term use. Upgraded reinforced inside lining protects the interior of the skate bag. No more worries about leaving marks and scratches. Scientifically divided into 3 compartments, center super large compartment is roomy for helmet, other protective gears, towels and clothes, and 2-sided compartments for inline skate SHOES, size 3 to 13. Central mesh pocket for water bottle within reach, and front pocket for your keys, cell phone, etc. Extra foldable splints on the bottom of 3 compartments feature added durability and strong load capacity, providing good support for ice skates and protective gears without sagging. The detachable and adjustable shoulder strap and padding cushion fit different heights and release the pressure on the shoulder, providing great comfort for you to carry. 2 separated shoe compartments are designed with 2 air holes respectively, which not only keep shoes away from other items and release the smell of sweat, to keep your shoes dry, clean and odorless. Number 4. TOPOWN Ice Skate Bag Roller Skates Bag. The roller skate bag is made of 1200D, more durable than 600D, nylon fabric and strengthens the framework, providing strong tear and deformation resistant. Extra detachable plastic plate at the bottom of the main compartment, providing good support for ice skates and equipment. The main pockets of the ice skating bag fit most skates, up to size 12. The ice skate bag can be satisfied to store protective gear, appropriate clothing, blade guards, towel, gloves, etc. But it isn't suitable for storing helmets. This skate bag weighs only 505 grams, which is extremely lightweight. And the adjustable shoulder strap is filled with thick foam, which is comfortable and easy to carry for children. The name tag is convenient to recognize and prevent mistaken, and air holes not only keep shoes away from other items and release the smell of sweat, to keep your skate bag dry, clean and odorless. This simple and stylish bag for skates is the best gift for your children or family. The special day, like birthday, Christmas, Halloween, New Year, brings memories of the excitement on children's faces as they open gaily wrapped packages, and the warm feelings that come with finding that perfect gift for a special someone. Number 5. Holisogn Ice, Inline, and Roller Skate Bags, Premium, and Fashion Bags for children, kids, teenagers, and adults of all sizes. Holisogn Skate Bag is using the most popular factors on printing. It also contains 3 main compartments and 3 side pockets which satisfy all the rider's needs. It's suitable for ice skating, inline skate and quad skating in all sizes. It's a super convenient bag to carry the skates for outdoor riding. This attractive skate bag will help you make more new friends. Unique outstanding patterns with 4 color options, perfect gifts for girls and boys. 3 major large compartments. The compartment of each side can keep the roller inline ice skate individually, while the middle one can keep the protective gears, blade covers, skate wheel, bearings, clothes, helmets, etc. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.